Well, good evening, and I'm going to take a few moments tonight to discuss the second tool that I've decided to use for my classroom setting and still sticking with the same theme, animal management. And this is definitely a tool that was a little more challenging for me to kind of understand and put together, but as I went through the tutorials, it kind of was self-explanatory of just putting slides within kind of a video. And I guess it is something that I would definitely use prior to um, the PowerPoint, just so as you can see as I'm going to start it up, it just gives you a quick glimpse of topics and short bullet points of what's going to be the key elements to take apart when we do go through the material. As you can see, it's just a quick look on the screen of kind of getting the kids excited about the upcoming topics that we're going to be discussing about and kind of the activities that are going to go hand in hand with the lecture. And this way, it kind of lets them see themselves and kind of is taught by the video rather than the instructor. So then here they kind of have some pre-knowledge before I go into the material, and so they can do a little research on it if they want to before they come to that next class setting for that lecture, I guess. So you can see it's very quick, very short, but still very eye-appealing as a student as well as an instructor. So there is my second tool, and I hope it was very self-explanatory.